Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're here create another look, and if you want to see what look I create, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Let's do something with this. So this is my Relentless palette. That palette is so huge, like it's so big. I haven't used this in like forever, so but we're gonna leave her down there, and I'm gonna use Merciful. Let's do that eye, because I feel like I give that eye no love. I mean, I do give it love because I do look so on both eyes, but I always do it last. And just stop it. But I don't know why I also start with this eye last all the time. This is my favorite eye. Like, I prefer to do makeup on this eye, because I feel like I have more lid space on this eye. That I might be totally wrong, but that's what I think. Okay, so now I need something to kind of buff it up a little bit. Let's use Pitiless. Oh, yep, Pitiless. And I'm using the same brush, guys. See, you can do like a look. I'm just like using this to kind of just dust it off. And just keep buffing that up to make sure you get it nice and crisp. I think I'm gonna go back into Mercy. I feel like I used a color that was pretty close to this yesterday. So I'm gonna use Hard for my inner corner, and maybe yeah. And then we're gonna go into Hard. Oh, and this is on a E60 brush from Sigma, and I'm just tapping this like this. This shade is so pretty. Let's see. Yep. So now I'm gonna use something to just kind of buff those two shades together. Let me see. I'm gonna try Unsympathetic, maybe. Yep. That will work. Just cleaning it up and buffing it up. Let's go back to Hard and get a little bit. Don't be scared to go back. And now I'm gonna go back to Merciless and just gonna buff that. Perfect. So this eye is done. I'm gonna go off camera, do my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, so we're back, and time to talk about this foundation. Dude, my neck is like killing me. So we're gonna talk about the new NU YSL Skin Makeup Hybrid Bare Look Tint. Oof. Me and them tints. This is $49. Like, that is not a lot. It's a good match. And what shade is this? New 15. Yep, shade 15. And then I'm gonna use my Huda Beauty concealer. So I want this to dry a little bit, but while it's doing that, let's jump into contour. I haven't used this in a minute, so let's use my Tint tool. And then just again, this, I know this can look crazy looks, but it just blends like butter. And just do the same thing, and it's gonna all kind of like blend together when I go in with my and blend out my concealer. So I know it looks crazy, but don't worry about that too much. To blend my concealer, what is my concealer brush? And this is my slick brush from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. And you just kind of like blend it and just keep on topping. Man, this weekend my face is gonna hate me because I'm literally recording like every day this weekend. It's not gonna like that, but it'll be alright. So start with the edges, blend it out, tap in, and then I go in. This is from Riri. Whew. This is bright. This is a little bright. Not sure what I was thinking, but I don't know. I feel like the brush wasn't picking it up good. Whew, I think my hand lift up my stuff a little bit though, so I didn't wear a primer and I can see my texture like right here. I don't know what, like some people are like, oh, primer don't do anything for them, and maybe that's the case because you know makeup do different things for different people, but you can definitely see my texture when I don't prime. So I'll go with what Nikki tutorial said, like it's a crime not to prime. And I don't always prime, sometimes I forget, but when I don't forget, I'm priming. I am priming when I don't forget, but if I forget, then it's fine. It's not the end of the world, but I do prefer to prime. So I'm gonna use my House Labs powder. Let's set the rest of my face. I'm gonna use my Sephora powder with my Tati sponge. Okay, what am I gonna put in my waterline? Something not so dark. You know what? I think like a light purple or something. So this would be cute, but these do not really do much. Like they just. This is from who? High Vice from Barry M. Eyeliner Dangerous, but they don't do much. So you can't even see it. I have to double it up, and then this is from Makeup Obsession. So I use these two to just get like a little something, but not that much. Okay, I'm trying to figure out what to put. Okay, let's go to Merciful. And Pitiless, maybe? Let's put in Pitiless like right here. And then can use this. This is Y217, and then let's use hard and just bring this down. Okay, lips. Now this, not this, not this. Let's do this. So this is from, it's Stone from MAC. Ah, this eye. No, I remember why I did not use these things. This liner makes my lip look like a Walking Dead character. But that's fine. We're gonna use Shy from Plain Makeup by Yolondo. But this is cute. I have to convince myself because I already don't put it on. Don't put it on. Man, if I leave my face like this, I look terrible. Terrible. Let's try this OPV. It is shade 1. And just, I think I'm going a little bit heavy today with this. Maybe a little too heavy. But it's fine. I'll fix it. I don't know if I should use this because this is like kind of have glitter, kind of like. And then let's just put a little of. Man, these are like so pigmented, so pigmented. Like you just need a little. Ooh, let's use this. This is from Misho. It's a setting spray. Okay, so that's it for this video. I like how this look came out. It's a little bit bolder than I thought it was gonna be, but you know what? For some reason, I always end up this way, so we're just gonna go with it. So yeah, so that's it for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what? I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.
I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like. Just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on, yeah, yeah. 낮이 되면 잠깐 come on outside.